remembered a year ago I said this in a video?
And also, Brown Dynamite, next boxing night, let's 1v1, bro.
And you know, I thought nothing of that, but little did I know that Eric actually sucks at boxing. No, I'm kidding. He's been training countless hours every single day in preparation for this fight, and I've been
training very, 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 very hard.
So yeah, I basically have no chance of taking the dub. So instead of doing the normal thing and training for this fight, I was thinking, why don't I try to cheat so badly that Eric's forced to give up and then he forfeits to me. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I've got 2 boxing gloves right here, and I want to try to put as many possible like dangerous gadget weapon things in them as possible. So right now I'm thinking tasers, rockets, maybe something that has to do with making it go further out. I don't know yet. So with the taser, I want to try to wire it so that the terminals are right at the front here. I'll try to demonstrate it. So it flows and jumps across my 2 fingers like that. So then you got a really big open hit area. And to do that, we're gonna need some tasers. Yo, I think that's him. Oh, yo, you got the zappy.
Yeah.
How much?
19 V-Bucks.
19 V. Here you go. Oh, whoa, what's that? Oh. Okay, so apparently where I'm from, tasers are illegal. So I got these instead. These are plasma lighters. I've used them in almost all my other videos. I got 4 of them, and I'm hopefully, that they have the same power as a taser. I took one of them apart already right here. They're really simple to wire into the gloves. So, build montage. So I got the boxing glove all done. It's right in here, but sadly I forgot to record. So let me explain how this works. So I got 4 of the plasma lighters. You turn them on by going like this, and then the buttons are all in the palm of the boxing glove, so that when you squeeze your hand to punch, it activates the lighters. And then they're all attached to this board thingy right here, which when it touches someone, it shocks them. So, also, it's rechargeable by 4 chargers. Also, by popular request, everybody wanted Joey back. So I figured, why not do the first test of the gloves on Joey? So we came to Joey's house, which is somewhere back there. It's Joey. Hey, Joey. Yo, what are you? Is that Charlie D'Amelio dance compilation?
Yeah.
So I have an offer. How would you like to get tased for my video? Oh yeah, you want to do it? All right. Now one small problem is these kind of catch on fire. I'm hoping that won't be an issue. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so Joey here has volunteered. He's gladly volunteered to be tased for my first ever test to make sure it's not fatal to Eric, because so we're gonna turn it on and then I'm just gonna tap it to him. I'm not gonna actually punch him. That's a little bit too much. Don't worry, he likes this kind of stuff. It's okay. In order to do this, follow Joey's Snapchat right here.
Just make it a surprise.
Oh, see, that's what I meant. I didn't see it coming much. I didn't think about it.
You want it again?
No.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how painful would you say that was?
That was about an 8. It felt like someone was trying to rip my skin off my arm. But it also felt like someone was trying to pinch it.
Okay, good to know. So to make rockets, we're gonna need 4 things. An oxidizer, in this case I'm using potassium nitrate. It's found in stump remover. An actual fuel, I don't have any powdered sugar. That's what we're gonna be using. So pretend this is powdered sugar. Kitty litter as the thing. It's like used as a base to put it at the bottom of the rocket so it doesn't burn through. And sulfur powder. According to Google, it readily combusts with oxygen. It increases the power and burn rate, which means it makes the rocket better, I think. So the potassium nitrate actually comes, let me show you. It's kind of like a crystallized sugar, and we need it to be a fine powder. I don't know where my blender is, and I couldn't find a mortar and pestle. So we're gonna be crushing the potassium nitrate in a bowl with a spoon, which is gonna suck. Oh my, you will not believe what happened. Look it, I found it. I found the blender. The motor on this thing, it burned out, and that means I can't grind it anymore. So here, look at this. It's not the best, it's not powder, but it's not crystals. So I'll settle with that. Now that means that it's time to do some, oh crap, to do some math. So we got the scale, we got the powdered sugar, the sulfur, and the potassium nitrate right here. Now, we need 35% potassium nitrate, 65% powdered sugar, 10% sulfur to the already mixed stuff. So there's some equation that you have to do to calculate the percentages, but I don't remember it. It's like a 6th grade math problem thing, but I'm not the best at math, so yeah. We got the powder in the cup. I'm gonna light it off. Oh crap, oh crap. I would say that is a success. The rockets are done and the boxing gloves are done. So that means cue the epic build montage. So we're down here to test out the rockets. I made a few extras. Let's just light this off. We're by the water, so if anything gets dangerous, I can like kick it, and then I'll kick it in the water. So let's see. This is making a ton of smoke, and we're in the woods.
Oh my god.
What the heck is going on? This is not. What the heck? How is this still going off? This thing, it's smothered in rocks and dirt, and it's still smoking. We're gonna have 3 rockets on my hand. That was only 1. Yeah, I was gonna test 2 more rockets in the woods. Way too much smoke in the middle of the woods by a neighborhood where cars can drive by. So I think that's good enough.
This is disgusting.
Today's the big day of the fight. My opponent Eric is a Golden Gloves boxing champion, whatever that means. I don't know, I'll still beat him. First round is gonna be a bare knuckle 1 minute boxing match. And then if I still don't manage to beat him there, I'm gonna pull out the tasers and the rocket gloves, then hopefully I'll get a knockout on him.
I'm Eric, I'm 24 years old, and I'm a junior in high school. The reason I'm fighting Ramcreation today is because in kindergarten, he hit me in the head with a fire truck and emotionally scarred me to this day. And I love dictionary because I'm a very avid reader.
Round 1 will consist of 1 minute of bare glove boxing.
Round 1, fight!
I've never claimed to be a boxer. I've never claimed to be a fighter. I've won 40 street fights. Here's the taser glove. I'm gonna put it on right now. Let's go in for round 2. Okay, so real quick, Joey the cameraman made the rookiest of rookie mistakes. He put his finger over the microphone so it sounded like this. It sounded like this, all muffled, I couldn't hear it. So I have to be the narrator for this section. So I'm walking up, he looks at me, and then he's like, no, I'm scared. And then I pull out the taser, he's freaking out. He's saying how he's bad. He's saying how he actually lost the last round. He admits that I'm a better boxer, and then he's like freaking out, and then I say, oh, tell him you forfeit. He's like, I forfeit. That's it, I'm done. I quit boxing, I'm scared. And then I go and try to stab him, or no, tase him again, not stab him. And then he runs away like a coward, just like how he was running away in the original fight. And then I'm like, okay, you quit? And then he's like, yeah.
Do it. Joey!
No! All right, guys, attempt 2. So we're gonna. Joey, stop!
Reaction. Against the wall. That's a perfect overreaction.
Against the wall!
Yeah, you did. Now, don't forget to add my Instagram at Herman.Joey, all lowercase, and 2 ends at Herman. And now back to the fight. Walk away. This is perfect. Do it. Go. Ow! Ow!
Yeah, special thanks to our volunteer here. Oh, that fucking hurt. What was that?
It was a jolt.
A jolt? All right.
Yeah, a jolt.
Oh. I realized I didn't do enough taser testing scene, whatever. Tomorrow, I'm gonna give Eric the taser glove. He's too scared to get tased. He said he's not gonna do it, so I'm gonna let him tase me. It'll be like the opposite of what I said in the intro. See you guys tomorrow. Stop. It's time for the rocket test. I've been doing a little bit of thinking and I decided that I'm not actually gonna put the glove on my arm. It's so sad. When we did the 1 rocket test, you could not put that thing out. It was smothered in like rocks and dirt. It wouldn't go out. So having 3 on my hand does not seem very smart, considering that this thing is made out of paper and duct tape and hot glue to a boxing glove. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But what I am gonna do is put it on a stick. I found this stick in my yard. It's already on. And then this will be on a table like this. And then I'm gonna put the stuff in there, light it, so then you guys can see the rocket, whatever it does. I don't know. Let's test it. I did not expect any of that to happen. They messed up. The clay things in the back weren't big enough or thick enough. Or no, the clay things up front weren't thick enough. So like they just blew up. They blew off of it, and then all the rocket stuff was shooting out. I didn't get it on I don't know. I haven't watched the footage back, but the glove was like 100 feet away from the neighbor's fence. It started shooting like flaming debris over their fence. I'm so glad I didn't put that on my arm. Like here, I'll play what it was supposed to look like. I did a rocket test like that on a glove. I'll play it right here. And that's what it was supposed to be. It wasn't supposed to blow up like that did. This guy, he's been asking for a shout out. I checked out his channel. He does pretty cool stuff. He's at 80 subscribers right now. If we can get him to 100, I'll give you guys a fist bump. We're 1,300 subs away from 10K. I just want to thank you guys so much. Be sure to drop a like if you like this. Drop a subscribe to subscribe. So yeah, see you guys next time I upload.